Let's learn different sounds of different things. What sound does a bell make? Ring, 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 ring. What sound does a clock make? Tick, tick, tick. What sound does a door make? Bang. What sound does a drum make? Beat. What sound does a flag make? Flutter. What sound does a glass make? Tinkle, tinkle. What is the sound made by teeth? Chatter. What is the sound made by clouds? Thunder. What is the sound made by leaves? Rustle, rustle. What is the sound made by coins? Jingle, jingle. Thank you for watching. Follow me for more.